All right, everybody, this is our first break, and it is a box of Sterling and a box of Elite Extra Edition. The Sterling is going to get you at least 18 autos. There's probably more, because I think there's always like an extra hit per box. And then the Elite Extra Edition is basically so that every team gets something, because we're not going to sort the base. We're just going to give everybody a stack of base. But the autos, obviously, the autos and the hits will be by team. So that way, even if you go hitless, you'll still get something in the mail, even if it just makes you mad at me. But you might get a box like Pisco got the other day. He got his Apple auto. I've been trying to tell him it's a Pell. He won't listen to me. So for his sake, I'll just keep calling him Apple. And, whatever. So you might get one of those. We hit a 1-of-1 auto not too long ago. All right, so Jonah Heim is the first auto, and that is for the Orioles. So Orioles already with a hit. First break. First back. And Aaron Judge. Aaron Judge for the Yankees. It's looking like a good box there. 2 autos already. And this is what I mean by cards that are just going to be divided up. We're going to make 30 even piles of the base, and then every team's just going to get a pile of unsorted base. What do we got here? Jonathan Crawford. That was our first non-hit pack. And our second non-hit pack. Alright, we might not have a Pisco box here after all. Although those are pretty good autos already. For the Yankees and the Orioles. Mike Piazza. Bryson Brigman with a jersey. I've got no idea who to give that to. But let's give it to... Let's go by the team. Hold on, let me look. That's really easy to do. We'll just go by the team random. And so that means that the Angels get the Bryson Brigman. Let me put his name on it and everything so that I don't have to worry about it. There might be a USA Auto in here too, and that'll go to the Mets. All right. All right, so a little extra hit there for the Angels. Forgot all about the USA stuff. Bryson Brigman jersey. Let me go back to the chat room. So what's Buddy saying? He just somehow missed that auto? Is that the story he's sticking with? Cole Stewart, die cut for the Twins to 200. So a little something. And then Domingo Tapia. New York looks like the Mets. But I'll make sure, but that's what it looks like. Looks like the Mets. See, the problem with the shutout slot thing is it's actually a lot of... Well, not a lot of, but it's a pain in the butt. Let's just call it that. It's a pain in the butt. Because I've got to go through, figure out what teams didn't hit, blah, blah, blah. When instead I could just award it to somebody now, and then it'd be done, Red Sox, Carlos Suave. That's what I'm going with, Suave. It's really close to Suave. It's almost exactly Suave. Clint Frazier. Ken Griffey Jr. And we've got Tucker Newhouse for the Brewers. 13 out of 100, Tucker Newhouse. Look at that. I'll be damned. We hit another one. Mark Appel for the Astros. Mark Appel auto to 230. No, sorry, 320. This one is 187 out of 320. Is that the same inscription he had on yours, P-Scale? Luke 9:23? Anyway, 187 out of 320. Not bad for, just basically a throw-in box to get everybody some cards. I'll take that. Johnny Field, he's a Ray. Johnny Field for the Rays. Travis Dimitri, Demerite. Uh-oh, we got a redemption. Joe Jackson, shoeless Joe Jackson. That redemption might take a while. Wow, that's only good for 6 months. It expires this year. That's crazy. Anybody got Joe Jackson's team? Anybody know who Shoeless Joe plays for? All right, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 autos, including an Appel. All right, let's see what else we got here. All right, guys, 6 packs. Should be 3 autos each pack. All right, look at that, Derek Jeter. Wait till you see this first auto. You can kind of see it over the Derek Jeter. Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Oscar Taveras for the Cardinals. Nice hit for the Cardinals. Very nice. Nick Turley for the Yankees. And Sanchez. Victor Sanchez. 54 out of 125. 54 out of 125. So nice hit on the Taveras. Shoeless Joe Jackson was the... we got Gallardo. Mark Montgomery, another Yankees hit. D-backs, Polka. Daniel Polka. And Julio Morban for the Mariners. Rangers. Okay, thank you. Oh, crap. What am I going to do with these? Healy, Sonny Gray. Sonny Gray. Dude, I don't know what's going wrong. I don't know what's going on with me right now. Jonathan Gray and Matt McPherson. So, Ryan Healy for the A's. Jonathan Gray for the Rockies. And Matt McPherson for the D-backs. Fujikawa for the Cubs. Ian Clarkin for the Yankees. C.J. Edwards for the Cubs. And Jonathan Crawford refractor for the Detroit Tigers. And that is 71 out of 154. Two packs left. We've got a gold Julio. No, sorry. Colin Moran. A gold Colin Moran, and it is 1 of 50. 1 of 50 on the gold Colin Moran. Alan Hansen for the Pirates. Patrick Kivlahan for the Mariners. And then for the Mariners, Brad Miller. And that is the Rose. 19 out of 99 on the red Rose. And last pack. The last pack. Nice hit in the back. All right, so C.J. Cron for the Angels. Riley Unroe for the Rays. And the Yankees are just killing it with Cato. And this may be the only Royals hit, but it's not bad. Blue Hunter Dozier, 2 of 25. 2 of 25 on-card Hunter Dozier. So I think the Giants and the Dodgers both went hitless. So we'll just, I don't know, we'll just give that to the one with the smallest pile, whatever. All right, so these are your hits, guys. C.J. Cron, Fujikawa, the Jeter, a dual Blackburn Peterson, and then we've got Hunter Dozier to 25, very nice card. Cato, Unroe, Miller to 99, Kivlahan, Alan Hansen, Colin Moran for the Marlins, 1 of 50. Jonathan Crawford for the Detroit Tigers, C.J. Edwards for the Cubs, Ian Clarkin for the Yankees, Matt McPherson for the D-backs, Jonathan Gray for the Rockies, Ryan Healy for the A's, Julio Morban for the Mariners, Palka for the D-backs, Mark Montgomery for the Yankees, Victor Sanchez for the Mariners, Nick Turley for the Yankees, and the Cardinals with Oscar Tavares. All right, guys. That is break 1, just like that. Just like that. Hey, that last card was a good one. That Hunter Dozier was a nice hit.